Unfortunately, it's taken me 28 years to learn how to do this. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of How to Adult 101, where we are going to do some adulting like pros. Today we're going to be talking about how to fold a fitted sheet. This is something I just learned recently. Unfortunately, it's taken me 28 years to learn how to do this. Even though I've had plenty of people show me, it wasn't until my best friend came over and was like, Kate, you have to learn. And I was like, okay, fine. And then it made sense. I don't know. But so hopefully today this will make sense to you.
So this is how not to fold a fitted sheet. As you can see, I'm just kind of bunching it all together, and voila, super fast and easy, done. But that's not what we're going to be doing today. So let's go back and show you how to actually fold a fitted sheet. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is kind of lay it down into a square where we can see all the corners. Then I'm going to try to find one corner and turn it inside out. And then I'm going to find an opposite corner and shove the inside out corner into the not inside out corner. And then the same on the other side. And then I'm going to shake it out a little bit and then create a square out of those tucked in pieces. I'm going to fold down the top to create a straight edge, which I did not do a very good job about. And then I'm going to fold one side over to the other, and I've got a nice square, rectangle, or whatever. Then I'm going to fold it again. I'm going to always brushing it out, and then fold one more time. And I've got a nice, small, folded square of a fitted sheet.
And there you have it. Here's a nice folded fitted sheet for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment down below as to what type of being an adult thing you want to know about. I mean, I'm here for you guys. So if there's something that you just would not know, I mean, I'll obviously come up with stuff to show you, but yeah. So we'll see you later, guys. Have a good day.